How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free Amazon gift cards and other products on Sweatcoin. So to get started, you need to open the Sweatcoin app on your mobile device. Before going into the process, make sure you have some balance in your account which you can withdraw. Next, you need to go to Sweatcoin shop. So tap on the shop icon. Scroll down and filter for digital offers. It is important to notice that Sweatcoin has different offers. You can go and spend your coins every day or whenever you want. So scroll down and select your product. For example, there are several Amazon gift cards available here, which you can buy with your Sweatcoins and use to purchase something on Amazon. So you need to keep on checking the app on a regular basis in order to be able to find more offers like this. Also, you can directly buy some physical products by using Sweatcoin, which you can later sell to your friends. So this is how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.